Hey guys, so today I have Boxycharm. It took me forever to get this because we've had like 2 or 3 snowstorms in the past week, and we haven't gotten snow all winter, which is really rare for us. We usually get snow. Haven't got snow till freaking February. Anyways, and then my grandma ended up getting mail for the whole family. Like, they don't even want to distribute it between different mailboxes anymore, so they just give it all to my grandma and she has to distribute it. I don't know what that's about, but alrighty. I already opened it because I'm impatient. One day I will be surprised. Actually, I'm already surprised. Okay, well, I'll get into that later. So the first thing in here, I got the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Oh, so I guess you just like literally just put it on your face. Wash it away. I was actually kind of wanting to try this, but at the same time, the other option was... let me get it out because I don't even remember. Oh, the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. Or Boom Boom. But it's the blue one. There's a blue one that's called Coco Cabana or something. And this one smells so good. You guys don't even know it smells so freaking good. So anyways, I really wanted to try that, but I didn't get that one. I got this instead, which... it's fine. I think I'll put it to use. We got the Better Than Sex Mascara, which everybody was really excited about this because it's more than the box. It's $24 and the box is $21. So this right here is your money's worth. Last time I got this, I don't remember it being this heavy. It's kind of hefty product. Also, I don't know if this is the box. I don't know if you can see that there's like gray marks right there. I don't know what that is. Weird. Unpopular opinion, don't like this mascara. A lot of beauty influencers, they try things multiple times before they say for sure, I hate it. So I will try it again and then decide if I hate it. But I really don't want to. Alright. Now we got this Trestique lip pen. I'm sorry, my mirror is like totally in the way. Trestique lip Prime and Color Lip Glaze. So this was really cool. I watched a couple of videos of this. It says primer inside, and so the little primer pops out. And then right here, it's a magnetic top. And it kind of has like a weird shaped top. But look, that makes me really happy. I just love magnetic things like that. Looks like a pretty color. I kind of want to try it on. Let's do it. Oh, that is not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. Let's do the primer on the bottom the bottom lip, and then non-primer on the top and see how much of a difference it makes. Well, I guess I shouldn't put my lips together then. Okay, that's just a really quick. I think it looks nicer in the camera than it does in real life. It looks a lot more like red and vibrant. And in real life, it just looks kind of meh. I'll have to try. Oh, I'm gonna have to try this out later. So we'll put it in there. We got the No Pore Blem primer by Touch and Soul. I'm super excited to try this actually because it looks like my favorite primer, which is the Urban Decay one. They're even both pink. and it looks like it might be the same consistency, and it's a little bit cheaper. So then I was like, well, maybe it could replace it. We'll see. I'm excited for that. I'll have to let you guys know. And the last thing I got in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I guess that's 5 items. Is the Pretty Vulgar. I got the highlighter in Shimmering Swan or Glow Up. I cannot, Pretty Vulgar stuff I cannot read because it looks like it has 7 names when you read it on the back. Like, it says Shimmering Swan, Glow Up, I don't even know. I've never swatched this. It looks kind of not super blinding, and oh wow, that's soft. Like, you rub into it and it looks like you just broke a lot of it. Okay, it's kind of like almost a pinky gold shift. I don't know how hard that is to see. I'll have to try that out and then like do a look with all my Boxycharm stuff. And let you guys know how blinding it is because I'm one of those blinding girls. But what I did notice earlier today when I opened this up was, where's my paper? Where's my paper that tells me what, like, how much everything is, and like the descriptions of everything, what is that called? The selection of box that I got. The paper was literally not in here when I got this, and it wasn't opened like somebody went through it either. It just wasn't in here. So, yeah, not sure what to do about that because usually I like to add it up for you guys in the comments or in the description box to show you how, like, worth it the box is. And I can't even do that because, I mean, I guess I could look everything up. But literally, well, who doesn't? And I know that they didn't just stop doing it this month because I've seen other people on YouTube have it. And I actually got my aunt to sign up for this box a couple months ago with me. And we opened ours together today and she got one. And I was like, why did my box just not get one? So, anyways, I guess that's video. So I will see you guys next time. Yeah, I was kind of impressed with this box, a little bit mad. I'm not even gonna put this in here. Alright guys, well, I will see you next time. Bye.